Oh no. My phone is cracked.
That's unfortunate. Can I see it?
Sure, here you go. It's bad, right?
Well, it's not too bad. I can fix it.
Really? You know how to do that?
Yes, I have some experience with phone repairs.
That's amazing. How much would it cost?
Not much, just the price of the screen.
And how much is that?
It depends on the model and quality.
It's an iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Okay, then you need an OLED screen.
And how much is that?
About $200, give or take.
Wow, that's expensive.
It's cheaper than buying a new phone.
Help! My phone is wet.
Don't panic. Turn it off now.
Okay, I did that. Now what?
Do you have a screwdriver?
Yes, I have one. Why?
You need to remove the battery.
How do I do that?
Follow the instructions online.
Okay, I removed the battery. What's next?
Put your phone and battery in rice.
Rice? What for?
It will help absorb the moisture.
How long should I wait?
At least 24 hours, preferably more.
Will that fix my phone?
Maybe, maybe not. It depends.
My phone's battery is terrible.
How long does it last?
Barely a few hours.
That's not normal. What's wrong?
I don't know. It's frustrating.
Maybe you have too many apps running.
How can I check that?
Go to Settings and Battery Usage.
Okay, I did that. What now?
Do you see any apps draining your battery?
Yes, a few. Should I close them?
Yes, that might help. Try that.
Okay, I closed them. Let me see.
Is your battery life better now?
No, not really. It's still dropping fast.
Then you might need a new battery.
My phone is frozen. What do I do?
Don't worry. It happens sometimes.
How can I fix it?
You need to do a soft reset.
What's a soft reset?
It's like rebooting your phone.
How do I do that?
Hold the power and volume buttons
For how long?
until you see the logo screen.
Okay, I did that. It worked.
Great. Now check your software version.
How do I do that?
Go to Settings and About Phone.
It says it's outdated.
Then you should update it soon.
My phone isn't charging well.
That's annoying. What's the problem?
I think the port is damaged.
Have you tried cleaning it?
No, how do I do that?
Use a toothpick or a needle.
And just poke it gently?
Yes, but be careful not to break it.
Okay, I did that. Anything else?
Check your cable for any damage.
It looks fine to me.
Try plugging it in again.
Okay, I did that. It's still slow.
Then you might need a new port.
How much does that cost?
It depends on the phone model.
I can't hear you well. What's up?
Maybe your phone has a problem.
What kind of problem?
It could be the speaker or microphone.
How can I check that?
Look for any dirt or dust.
I don't see anything. Do you?
No, it looks clean to me.
Then what else could it be?
It might be a hardware issue,
Like what?
like a loose or broken wire.
How can I fix that?
You need to open your phone.
Is that safe?
Not really. You should go to a professional.
I can't make any calls. Why?
Maybe your network is not working.
How can I fix it?
First, check your settings,
What settings?
your mobile data, and airplane mode.
They are both off. Is that good?
Yes, that's good. What about your signal?
It's very weak. Only 1 bar.
Then you should restart your phone.
Okay, I'll do that. Hold on.
Sure, I'll wait. Let me know.
I restarted it. It's still the same.
Then you should update your network preferences.
How do I do that?
Go to Settings and Network Operators.
Okay, I did that. It says no networks available.
That's strange. You should contact your service provider.
My phone camera is not working.
That's a bummer. What happens?
It just shows a black screen.
Have you tried restarting your phone?
Yes, I have. It didn't help.
Then you should check for software updates.
How do I do that?
Go to Settings and System Update.
Okay, I did that. It says no updates available.
Then you should clear the camera app cache.
How do I do that?
Go to Settings and Apps and Camera.
Okay, I did that. It says cache cleared.
Now try opening the camera app again.
Okay, I did that. It's still black.
Then it might be a hardware problem.
What can I do about that?
You should take your phone to a repair shop.